The front handle provides a second grip for your hand, so you can easily control the tool. The plastic handle is secured with a screw to the tool's housing. Most problems with the handle are the result of accidental damage, such as dropping the tool or something hitting it. Replacing the handle is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the old front handle. Now I can install the new handle. I'll align the handle with the housing and replace the screw. And that's how simple it is to install a new front handle on your bandsaw. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.